How can you fix the iPhone that is not reading your password so you cannot really get in? What are some things you can do about it? If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. First of all, if you are, using your phone normally and you want to unlock it and you cannot really type in the passcode, it's possible that there is something on the screen and perhaps you're not pressing the buttons that you want, right? So just pay attention to the screen and make sure that you actually select the number that you want or the, letter on the keyboard, right? Because it can happen that there is like a water drop on the display or something. So that is something that you can do. If not, it's possible that there is simply a glitch in the software, and obviously you cannot get inside of the phone to like reset it or anything, so you can perform the force restart. This gets done by pressing the volume up, volume down, and holding down on the power button, all in a succession like this. So, just click, 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 and you'll be able to just wait holding down on the power button for the Apple logo to appear, and your phone will be restarted, and hopefully it will get the job done later. And there might also be some very specific things going on. For example, you might be inside of the guided access mode, which is, a very specific feature, but, it can lock your app so you cannot even leave that application. And it might have even more features limited. And there it can also be locked with your passcode, but that might be a different passcode from the one you use to unlock your iPhone. So there are some things which could be going on with it. If there is something very specific which I did not cover, let me know about it below, but I believe that these are the most likely scenarios, and I believe that you should be able to get inside your phone as long as you know the password and you've done all of the things I've shown you. So let me know in the comments below, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next tutorials as well.